Hello. Yeah, the live is up, I think. Okay. So, this is my response sheet. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. So, this is my response sheet. It's slot 2, and yeah, 12:30 to 2:30 p.m. Let's move on to the response sheet. So, I am not going to solve the English, I mean, VRC, but I will solve LRDA and so the first one is I took the first one. The answer is only half of nitrogen is now produced in America. Chosen option is 3. Mm. Based on the information provided, all of the following are true, except okay. I got the second one correct. I got the third one correct. I got the fourth one correct. But moving to the on the Netflix passage, it was very easy passage. So I got 3 out of 4. But moving to the second RC, I got the first one correct, second one incorrect, third one correct, fourth one correct. I got 2 out of 4. Moving to the third RC, this RC I didn't read at all, just answered randomly. So I got first one incorrect, second one incorrect, third one incorrect, fourth one also incorrect. That made me sad. So okay, I didn't answer the fourth RC. Moving to the verbal section, I got the first one correct. I didn't answer the second one. This is the way to answer this one. Five jumbled given, four of them can put together to form a coherent paragraph. I don't have the O sentence and key in the number of key. Okay, that's the difference. Key is not key, it is key. So I have to take that key only, the odd number key. Mm. But I am not going to get that too. So okay. Moving to the 21st one, 4213. That took 4132. Entirely different. 4321. That's also different. I didn't answer this, answer this. Okay, let's do DLR. Hmm. This is a trap question. As given the a small amount of yeah, thing is given to solve this whole question. A very small information is given and a table also given. Okay. Hmm. No firm raises the same amount of money. So we can answer these questions. So I will change the live name. Okay, let's do that. Okay, cat exam response. I can put this. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Okay. That's all. So we can move on to the questions. So there's five companies, five firms. Let's say each firm one core in its first year and last year of existence. The amount of each firm raised every year increased until it reached a maximum. Okay. And then decreased until the firm closed down. Hmm. Okay, let's draw a table. This tricky, very tricky. So for affluent, I can say A. So this is the way I solved it in the exam. Mm, so the only given information is each firm raised 1 crore in its first year. So the year of existence is 2009. So in 2009, it raised 1 crore. In 2016, it raised 1 crore. Okay. Hmm. The amount of each firm raised at 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Raised every year increase until it reached a maximum. Amount each firm raised everywhere increased until it reached a maximum. So I am a bit confused with is that the amount raised by each firm? So if, for example, if it is A, then it increases to 2 in the second year and 3 to the third year, like that. Or the sum of the amount raised by each firm. Yeah. I'm confused there. So E started 2010. Let's talk about C. C started 2013, raised 1 crore, and we don't know when it ended. So we have D. Can do D. It started 2011, 1 crore at the 2011, and 2015 also 1 crore. Total amount raised is total amount raised is 10. So I had 12, 13, 14. Remaining is 8. So I had to distribute 18. Second, 2, 3, 2. This is 5 plus 2, this is 7 only. 2, 4, 2. Okay. So this is for D. Am I correct here? Each annual increase is either 1 crore or 2 crore. Okay, this one, this two, 2, 1. Okay. So I completed for D. For let's try for A. Mm, so let's try C. Maybe I can do C. Mm, So I started 2013 here, 2013. That year 1 crore, and some year, let's say some year the 1 crore. So I had to distribute seven in between. So if I added two here, so I am remaining with five. I have to add four in the next. As no firm raises the same amount of money in two consecutive years. What that means? So if here the raised 1 crore, here also 1 crore can be, because is that it means then it will not be the answer for here. So 1 2 4, 2 4 is already mm, 6. So I am only left with 1. So 2 4 can be the answer. So 3 4. The only way it can be is 3 4. Or mm, 3 4. Yeah, this can be 2013. But this difference is 3. So that cannot be the answer either. So 3, 2, no, 2 put 7 in 2, 2, 3, 2 can be the answer. Okay. Let's say it will be 2, 3, 2. I don't know. This can be the answer. 2, 3, 2. But here the difference is 1. Here the difference also 1. But no firm raises the same amount of money in two consecutive years. How can be then? It will be the answer. Very tricky question, but there is something I am left with. There is some information I am not that correct with. So let's see the answers for that. Hmm. So this is what I tried. So I thought C and D can be. This is what I tried in the example. Okay. So I thought C and D. D is easy to find. 1 2 4 2 1. But I thought C also can be done. But I didn't got the answer correct. So the only for which firm can the amount raised by them conclude with certainty in each year? That is only for D. That is I can read now. I don't know what it can say. So only read now. So that will be the answer. So I choose 3. I thought B also can be done, but that is not the uh, answer. So only yeah, only Sezgi and Digna. That is the answer. But I thought it was 3. I don't know what I thought it was 3. So moving to the second one, I got that correct. What is the best conclusion about the total amount of money raised in 2015? In 2015, let's say um, B raised 1 crore in 2015. I can say B raised 1 crore and D also raised 1 crore. So, and talking about C, it is 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So C must be raised to 3. So that is 5. And talking about E and A, I got the pattern of A. That is, I think I found that in the classroom like in 19.1. And we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I have left with 19. So I can 2, 4, 5. So 5 for 11 here. 11, then I am left with 7, and then it will be 3. mm, Left with 7, then what I had done here is 4, 3, 2. No, that is 9. So I have done something else there. 1, 2, 4, 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 10. Uh, I'm left with 9. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Yeah, this is the way I think I had done. So in 2015 it will be 2. So last 5 plus 2 is 7. And talking about the last one, so it is I got A, B, C, E. Okay. Here it is 13. So I can either end up in 2015 or 2014. Okay. I can say in 2010 it is 1, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I can do like 3, 4, 3, 1. So it is 3, 4, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 2, 12. I done something. 3, no, not like that. So I got it 7 or 8 there. Mm, so I am on with that. So this question is tricky. I didn't get that. So I'm just giving some ideas for you. So moving to the next one. What is the postal total amount of money that could have raised in 2013? 2013 we can say 4 crore here, 1 here, 4 here, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, here 3, that is 12, and we have left with I took C, D, A, E. C, D, A, E. Left with B. B's. There is no amount of B given here. So, here 3, 4 plus 2013, right? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12. I think for B, I took it 3. So that is my answer is 15. So it is 17. I don't know. I didn't get that correct either. And for this option, similarly, I got 10 here, but the answer was 11. To this, I didn't answer that. And the right, this question. This question was very easy compared to the first one, but I didn't do this question. So it's no problem there. So you can move on to yeah, this question. Very easy question. This is very easy question. So I got the answer for this question very easily. So I will solve this question for you guys. So this is very easy question. Okay, anyone can do this question. Okay. So in that too, so as the question, as the given 3 participants, Agil, Bimal, and Chadur participate in a random. I have to put my glass because I had done this question, but I got some answers incorrect. But it's okay. Agil Bimal Chatur participates in a random pro competition 5 days. Every day, each partner randomly picks up a ball number between 1 and 9. The number on the ball determines his score on the day. The total score of the participant is the sum of his scores attained in the 5 days. The total score of a day is sum of the participant scores on the day. The 2 day average on a day, except on day one, is the average of the total scores of the day on the previous day. For example, if the total score of the day 1 and day 2 are 25 and 20, then the 2 day average on day 2 is calculated 22.5. Okay, got that? So here the information is very clear. Three friends are played some games, ball games, and so they throw the randomly pick a ball. So the value of the ball is in between 1 and 9. Okay, the maximum is 9 and minimum is 1. So the total score of the participant, sum of the score attained in the 5 days. Okay. Mm. So and 2 day average is sum of the value of day 1 and day 2 by 2. For example, if the total value of the balls picked by these three is 25 in the day 1 and 20 in the day 2, then the day 2 average, 2 day average is 25 plus 20 by 2, that is 22.5. Okay, we have given a table of 2 day average and a table of the ranks. So we have given some more um, informations. Okay, the following always scored in multiple of 3. Okay, the following information is also known. Chatur always scores in multiple of 3. Okay, so Chatur's value can be in Chatur. Can be 3, 6, 9. Only 3 possible values. His score on day 2 is the unique highest score. Okay, day 2, Chatur. So his score on the day 2 will be 9. Okay, very easy. I will go with this. His minimum score is observed only on day 1. So on day 1 it will be 3. So on all other day his score was 6. 6 here, 6 here and 6 here. His score on day 2 is a unique high score in the competition. His minimum score is observed only on day 1. And it matches with Akhil's score on day 4. These three matches with Akhil's score on day 4. So day 4 this was 4. Okay. The total score on day 3 is the same as the total score on day 4. Total score on day 3 is same as the total score on day 4. Yeah, here is the 2 day average helps us. So day 3 total score, let's say some x and let's say total here. So x here and same as the total score on day 4. So this is x and this is x, then day 2 average on day today average on day 4 will be x. That x is 16. So x equal to 16. So total here is 16. Here is 16 and here also 16. Okay. So we can talk about day 5 total score as today average of day 5 is 17. So it will be 18. Talking about day 3 and 2 day average day 3 is 15.5. So it will be 15. And today average day 2 is 15. So it will be also 15. So we got the total score for all 3 days. So we can fill this. 4 and 6 are 10. So remaining with that cannot be the answer. Okay. Oh, this is 3. Why I took this as my mistake? This is 3. So Chadur 3 and 3 here. So this will be 7. Okay. Okay. We got that correct. And here it is 16 and these two ranks are equal. Okay, so both got the same score. So remaining 16 remaining is 7. That can be the answer. Yeah. This scorer, okay. We are again mistaken this and this. So this is 9 and this is 6 only. So remaining 10. So this will be 5 and this will be 5. Okay, we got that too. Bimel's score are the same on day 1 and day 3. Bimel's score on day 1 and day 3. Bimel's score is 5 here, so it will be 5 only. So 5 plus 3, 7, 8. So remaining is 7. We got that too. What other information we have? Okay, this can be filled up and this. Okay, we can talk about day 2 and day 5 Agil Bimel score. We can move on to the question. What is Agil's score on day 1? Agil's score on day 1 is 7 only. So I got that correct. 7 and 7. And move to the second question. Who attained the maximum total score? Maximum total score. This is a little bit tricky, but we can do this question very easily. So the maximum score of Chaudhary is 3 plus 9, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 24 plus 6, 30. That can be measured, can be attained. And talking about Bimel, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 7, 17. Plus, on day 2, it can be okay. This can be 5 or total is 9. So remaining is 6. So 6 can be distributed like that to remaining is 6. This can be distributed like 2 comma 4 or 1 comma 5. Okay, these two possibilities. So I want the maximum value of Bimet. So it is not got third place. So it will be, let's say this is 2. So plus 2 plus on this day maximum is 18. So remaining I am 12. 12 can be maximum is like 7 and 5. So 7 here. So this is 17%, 24 plus 20. Maximum is 26. 26 is max. Like that, Agil's maximum is here it can be 4. It can be 5. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 7, 17 plus 3, 20. On day 3, it can be maximum is 5. 25 is maximum. Okay, this maximum is not 12. 8 comma 4 can be. So it will be 27 max and 25 max. Let's check. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 5. Maximum is 25. 25, 25 max. Okay, 27 max here. So Chador is the maximum total score. And moving to the 13th one. What is the minimum possible total score of Bimel? Minimum possible total score. So minimum possible is and day 2 he got 1. On day 5 he got 7. So that is 17 plus 2, 19 plus 7, 17, okay, 17 plus 1 plus 7. That is 25. Minimum is 25 minimum. And here minimum is day 2 he got 4 and day 3 he got let's say 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 5, 16 plus 7, 23. 23 minimum. So I got that correct 25. And moving to the 14th question. The total score of Bimal is a multiple of 3. What is the score of Akhil on day 2? How I took cannot be determined. Uh, Total score of Bimal is a multiple of 3. Total score of Bimal is a multiple of 3. So total score of Bimal can be uh, maximum is 27. Okay, so maximum is 27. So on day 2, Bimal scored 2, and day 5 Bimal scored 8. So on day 5, Akhil scored 4, and day 2 Akhil scored 4. Okay, in that case, mm, day 2 Akhil scored 4. Oh, I took cannot be determined. Okay, that's my mistake. This was very easy question. And moving to the next one. If Akhil attain a total score of 24, then what is the total score of Bimal? That is very easy. So Akhil scored 24 total score. So 24 here. So it will be 26 because sum of Akhil and Bimal will be 50. Okay. So that's I got correct. So moving to this question, I couldn't get any time because I spent around 20 minutes for first question, and I'm exhausted. And actually, I did this question in 10 minutes or something. I was in very hurry doing this question, but I got this correct. And I'm left with 8 minutes like that to do this question and writing question. But I couldn't do this question. I didn't answer this. I answered this as 3, but the answer was 4, and I didn't got this either. Okay, the sad story begins. QA. Okay, hmm. let's let's do this question. QA. Let's do QA. Everyone say this was very hard. Let's okay, it is 1 p.m. right now. Okay, I have 40 minutes left. Let's do. So A raised to m B raised to n is equal to 144 whole raised to 145. So 144 can be written as 144 equal to 12, 12 square. That is 2 square into 3 whole square. 2 raised to 4, 3 square whole raised to 145. That is 4 into 145, 2 raised to 590. Right. 150, yeah, 3 raised to 290. That is 144 whole raised to 145 can be written as. So then the largest possible equal to A raised to m, B raised to n. That is the largest possible value of n minus m. A raised to 590 into the answer is 579 or something. This is not 590, this is 580. Okay. A raised to 580 into B raised to 1. I can write like this. A, B, M, N be natural numbers such that A greater than 1, B greater than 1. A is greater than 1 only. 2 square is 4 into 3, 12. 12 square. That is 2 raised to 4, 3 square. 2 raised to 4 is 16 into 3 square is 9. 16 into 9 is 144. Always 145 is 2 raised to 580, 3 raised to 290. M and N are natural numbers. So B, the answer they said is 579. So B raised to 1 and A raised to 580. How can that possible? So for this question I only took 2 or 3 minutes. Uh, so I have I am confused with 290 because it's a simple answer. 2 raised to 583, that is 290. But I am a bit confused. Is this 290? Because these simple questions are never been in the CAT exam. So I'm confused with 290, but I go with 290. But I got that incorrect. So the real answer was 579. Okay. I had done this question in the exam. I'm like, wow, good question. Let's keep this question. But I spent again 3 minutes for this question. Opposite x satisfying the equation 2 raised to 4x square minus 2 raised to 2x whole square minus 2 raised to 2x square plus x plus 16. I will move this on the right hand side. I'm left with plus 2 raised to 2x plus 30 equal to 2 raised to 2x square plus x plus 16. Okay. So 2 raised to 2x can be taken as common. Then I'm left 2 raised to 2x plus 2 raised to 30. Equal to this can be taken off. This is very good question. So to make this one, uh, add this will give this. That is only so I can do trial and error. This is 1, 1, 2. 2 raised to 4x square equal to what? That gives 4x square equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Can be the answer. How I supposed to do this question? 2x square plus x plus 16. Say no way. Okay. Mm. Okay. I will skip this question. Okay. Now I have to be so much careful. Mm. I have done this question and got this question incorrect. Yeah. This was easy question. Uh, m and k so there m plus 2n can be divisible. So m plus 2n equal to kx. Let's say 3m plus 4n equal to ky. So I will subtract this 2 will give 2m plus 2n equal to k into y minus x. Or I say 2m plus 4m. So the difference is m. So I can m is a first equation into 2 and 2. First equation into 2. Okay. And minus so 2 minus 1 will give m equal to y minus 2x. Okay. So m is a common divisor of k is a divisor of m, and what I can say, first equation into 3 will give 3m, and this is 6n. So m is a common divisor 2n also. So but unfortunately I took m and 2n, m and n. Okay, but I got the fourth one correct. That is a not easy, but I randomly put values and got that correct. So I don't know the answer. So moving to the next question. Let k be last and decide that x minus 1 whole square by 2kx plus 11 equals 0 has no real load. So this I have done this question. I took 5 or 6 minutes. I didn't answer the question. Okay. So let's do that here. So has no real load. Therefore it can be b square less than 4ac. Okay. So b square is 2k. So not 2k. So x minus 1 whole square is x square minus plus 1 minus 2x plus 2kx plus 11. So x square plus 2k minus 2, 2 into k minus 1 x 2 into k minus 1 x plus 12 equals 0. Okay. So b square is 4 into k minus 1 whole square less than 4ac. 4 into 1 into 12, that is 48. So k minus 1 whole square less than 12. Okay, that is the information I am left with. So the k minus 1 whole square less than 2. Okay, then the least possible value of k by 4y. So k by 4y. So k is least possible value is k's least possible value is minus 2. That is minus 2 minus 1 whole square is 9, or can be minus 3. Okay, minus 2 in the range of minus 2 to 4. That is the range of k. Okay, and y is a positive real number. So positive real number. So k, let's take minus 2. So that gives that okay. Say I will delete this all. So let's say minus 2 by 4y plus 9y, having a least value. So minus 2 plus 9y square by 4y, having a least value. If y is a real number, positive real number, differentiating this will give this is a lengthy one. I know one thing to find the minimum, differentiate the but this lengthy. Vicinity will, no, let's move try the options. I didn't answer anything. So let's take y equal to 1 minus 2 by 4 plus 9 minus 1 by 2 plus 9 cannot be the answer. We have to differentiate anyway. So minus 1 by 2 1 by y plus 9y. Differentiate will give minus 1 by 2 into log y, I think, no. X cube is equal to 3x square. That is n into x raised to n minus 1. That is here y raised to minus 1. So minus 1 into, so it will be minus 1 by square. So answer will be minus 1 by 2 into minus 1, that is 1 by 2 y square plus 9. This is the least possible value. So okay, k can be 4 here. So it will be minus 4. So wait. So that can be the answer. Y square can be, y can be infinity. So the answer will be 9 only. Y is a positive real number. Okay, this is equal to 0. Okay, I got the idea. This is equal to 0. So 1 by 2y square equal to minus 9. So 1 by 18 equal to y square. Let's say y square don't have a positive value either. So let's say minus 4 will be, okay, 1 by y square equal to 9. Y equal to 1 by 3 plus or minus 1 by 3. So let's take 1 by 3. So putting 1 by 3 there will give 1 by 3 minus 3 plus 9 by 3. That is 3 plus 9 by 3 is 6. No, no way. This can be the answer, but you didn't realize what I have done. But I will explain. Do you need the explanation? I will give. So no one can do this the exam hall. I took 10 minutes to solve this. So I will say, so we got the value of k will be minus 2 and 4. So there are two extremes, minus 2 and 4. Okay, let's take minus 2. It will be minus 2 will k here. So it will be minus 1 by 2y plus 9y. Okay, for the least possible value, we have to differentiate this. Differentiating this gives minus 1 by 2y, differentiating that will be minus 1 by 2 into 1 by y, differentiating will give 1 minus 1 by y square. That will be minus and minus cancel out, 1 by 2y square plus 9y can differentiate into 9 equal to 0. But here we will get y an imaginary number. So minus 2 is not our answer. So we can try 4. So substituting 4 here, this equation k is equal to 4. So k is equal to 4, then it will be 1 by y plus 9y. Okay, differentiating this will give minus 1 by y square plus 9 equal to 0. Then y equal to plus or minus 1 by 3. So y is a positive real number. So the least value of this for k by 4y plus 9 at 1 by 3. Okay. Okay. Substitute 1 by 3 there. Then it will become not the here. Okay. That is 1 by 1 by 3 plus 9 into 1 by 3. That is 1 by 1 by 3 is 3 plus 3. That is equal to 6. So 6 will be our answer. Yeah, that is the answer. 6. Possible answer 6. And the number of positives less than 50 having exactly two distinct factors other than 1 and itself is. How I got this answer? Hmm. So the answer for that, I thought like that. So to have it will have four factors including 1 and itself. So for 4 factor, it can be either in the form of p cube or p1 into p2. This is the possible form of representing the number p cube. Only two p cubes there, that is 8 and 27 in 150, and p1 into p2 can be in the form of taking any two prime number in between 1 and 50s. There are prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is that correct? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. 29 is there, 31 is there, 37 also there, 41. 41 is also there, 43 also there. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So out of this, we have to take 2, that is 15C2. No, out of this, you can select 2. If it is 2, there can be 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 possibilities. If it is 3, possibilities are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 possibilities. It is 5, 1, only 1 possibility. If it is 7, no possibility. So this is the numbers 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, not 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 into 13, 3 into 13 is 39 only. 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 only. So 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13, plus this 2, that is 15. Because the number is less than 50, to make less than 50, so 2 can be multiplied up to 23, that will give 46. So 2 and 29 can be multiplied, even though it have only 4 factors. So I got that answer. That is lengthy. I couldn't even done this question. Can do this question. See, after 7 questions, I took 20 minutes. For some real number x, if log root 3x plus log root 3 can be 1 by 2. So 2 log 3x plus log 0.008. That can be written as 0.2 cube. Okay. Log 3 so log 0.2 here 2 by 3 5. Okay, equal to 16 by 3. Hmm. Okay. 0.2 no eh? Hmm. You have to convert that in log 3. Log 0.2 I have no log 3 there. Log 3 x square equal to 16 by 3 minus 2 by 3 log 0.25. Log 3x square equal to log a plus log b is equal to log a into b, right? So 1 plus log 3x square will be our answer. So we got the answer here. So 16 by 3 minus 2 by 3 log 0.225. So do we have a calculator there in 0.225 to approximate the value? Can be 2 by 10. Oh, 0 point can be, this can be 2 by 10. That is, this is 5 raised to minus 1. Okay, now I got the answer. I can took this minus 1 here. So this will be plus 1. So this is 1. So it will be 16 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 18 by 3. That is 6 only. Oh, log 3x square equals 6. So log 3x square is 1 plus 6. That is 7. This easy question, man. Yeah. This question I have done this question. So not a big deal here. Minimum purchase a pair of sunglasses for 1,000 and sells for 20%. Okay. For 1,000 rupees she bought. Sells to Kanu for 20% profit. That is 1,200. Minu Kanu. Sell it back to Minu at 20% loss. 20% loss is 1,056. And finally, means the same pair of sunglasses to Tanu. Next to Tanu. The total profit made by is 500. Okay. So total cost price of Minu is 2056, 1000 and selling prices are 1200 plus something. So subtracting this will give 144, 1200. We need 356 more, I think. Okay. 1000, 356. Okay. So that is 2556. Okay. So this transaction will be, it will be uh, selling to Tanu will be 1356. Okay. Then the percentage of profit made by Minu when he sold pair of sunglasses to Tanu is, that is 300 by 1056. Okay, 1 minute. This cannot be the answer. Hmm. 300 is she sold it for 1356, but what was her cost price for that? Cost price, okay. Cost price was 1028. I will say this will be 1028 and 3328 because do I have a calculator? No. So I approximate will be 31.25%. Because how I got 1028, because this is a total cost price, that is average of these two is 1028 and she sold it for 1356. Okay. Moving to the next question. Ni kami tulis lembar waktu the I didn't even done this question. I just go to the last one. 20% of the employee work in the manufacturing department. Okay. Manufacturing M 20%. So all the manufacturing employees 1/6 of the uh, if the total salary obtained by all manufacturing employee okay, this 20 people have 1/6 of this total salary. So the ratio of average salary obtained by the manufacturing employee to the average salary obtained by non-manufacturing. Okay. Let's say there is 20 manufacturing and non-manufacturing 80. So this 80 people will give have five. Say they have 1 by 6th. So 1 here, let's say 6 is the total. So 1 here, 5 here. Ratios average salary obtained. Okay. Average salary is for each employee manufacturer will be 1 by 20. For each non-manufacturing it will be 5 by 80. So 1 by 20 is to 5 by 80. 20 and 80 can be cancelled here 4. 1 is to, it will be 4 is to 5. Very easy question. Very easy question. This is very easy question. I hadn't even done these questions. I got this correct. The price of precious stone is that was the square of its weight. 80 units. Okay, 80 units. Um, each piece have distinct integer weight. One, two, three, 6, and this is 12. This is the highest and lowest possible 1 and 12. Square of 144 is 144. Highest possible value, lowest possible value is one. This 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 144. That's equal to 10 plus 4 14 plus 148 158. And lowest possible value and 3 4 5 6. 3 plus 6 9. Yeah. 9 plus this is the highest price 25 plus 36. So 25 plus 25 50. This is the last. Okay. 25 plus 25 50 plus 36 86. So the difference is 158 minus 86, that is 272. So 288 is 72 into 4. So for 18 units it is 18 square into 4, that is 1296. So that's a very easy question, but I literally spent 4 minutes for this question. I don't know why. I was in a panic mood after the 5 questions. Anil borrows Rs 2 lakhs at an interest rate of 80% per annum. Compound half yearly repays 10,000. 320 at the end of the first term. I don't know this question. Just skip this question. Let's do this question anyway. Okay. Any borrowers are to look at an interest. I don't. Okay. Devi sir, you have a question. What is that? 12th question, yeah. Ravi is driving at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour on Ravi is okay. Ravi's speed is 40 kilometers per hour. He is 54 meter behind Ravi. Meter, okay. And driving the same direction. Ravi is driving. uh, 90. So 225, okay, not 90. So I have to convert this 90 into meter per second. 90 into 5 by 18, that is 5 into 5, 25. So 225 by 25 gives 9. 9 second. Okay. So this is Ravi here. This is, we can say, where is that Ashok? So this is 225 meter. So 9 second for a point here, somewhere here. Okay. So in that 9 second, who that Vijay? It is 54 meter here. 54 meter. So okay, in 9 second, we move 9 into 9 into. Okay, that's interesting. You have to meet in 9 second. Don't know. So let's say, okay, relative 54 meter. Okay, I have to cover 54 meter in 9 second. So 54 by 9, that is 6 meter per second is the relative speed. Okay, so 6 meter per second, that is 6 into 18 by 5. 6 into 18 by 5 will give 6 into 18, 6 into 20, 120, 120 minus 12, that is 108 by 5, approximately 22. Let's say 21 point something. Okay. I can do 2 by 5 is 0 0.4. Okay, so 21.6. 21.6 kilometer per hour. So that more than Ravi. So 21.6 is relative speed. So 40 plus 21.6 is equal to 61.6. The answer is 61.6. Yeah, easy question again. I dropped another easy question, but these are lengthy questions. Okay, not, yeah, I can do this question in 1 minute. No, you can't. These are easy questions, to be honest, but you can do this in the exam. I just panicked over and over. Pipes A and C are filled pipes, while pipe B is a drain pipe of tank. Pipe B empties the full tank in 1 hour less than the time taken by pipe A to fill the empty tank. Okay. Mm. I think I done this question using 10 hours. No, I didn't done this question. Okay, let's say pipe A take X hours to fill the tank. Pipe B take X hours to empty the tank. Okay, plus 1 hour. We empty the full tank in 1 hour less than the time taken by pipe A to fill the empty tank. Okay, the empty tank filled in say C equal to some Y. That is 1 by X plus 1 by X plus 1 plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by 2. If pipe B and C turned on together when the tank is empty, very interesting question. If B and C turned on together when the tank is empty, that is 1 by x plus 1 by y. B is turned off after 1 hour. Only 1 hour, okay. Hmm. If pipe A can take fill the tank in less than 5 hours, let's say this is 4, this is 3, 4, 3, so 7 by 12, 6 by 12 minus 7 by 12, that is 1 by 12, that is 5 by 12, so 12 by 5. 12 by 5 into 60, 15 to 12. No, lengthy question. I'm just skipping. I don't want to waste my time. I didn't answer this question, but we can try this question here. If a certain amount of money is divided among n person, each one received Rs 352. However, if 2% receive Rs 506 each and the remaining amount is divided equally among the other person. Yeah. Among n persons, okay. So total amount is 352 into n. So multiple of 350. However, if 2% receives, okay, so A equal to 506 plus 506 is 1012 plus n minus 2 into less than 330. So to maximize, I will go for 330. So n into 330 minus 660. So it will be plus, let's say 1012. 1012 minus 660 to 1 minus 6 can be 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. 352. Okay, so equal to 352 and so that is 22 n equal to 352. N equal to 352 by 22. That is 1, 15, 7, 12, 6, 176 by 11. 176 by 11. Possible 17, 1, remaining 16, again 1. 76, 16, it is 6, 16. Then maximum possible value of n is 16. Oh, that is the answer. Again, another easy question. I'm not saying these are easy questions, but this can be done. We are freer in mind. I have done this question. So I only have 1 minute left. I think one, no, 2 minutes left. This was the last question I had done. So I just thought so 40 liter, 4 liter remote, then 36, then again 4, this will be 32, and 28, and 24, then 20. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 5, if we add milk only without removing the mixture, we get in 5 tries. But uh, the problem is mm, we are removing the mixture, so it will take more than 5. So I thought it will be 7 or 8, so I'll go for 7. I didn't done this question either, so I don't know how to done it either right now. So for the next question, this is the unlucky question. My answer is 408, and the actual answer is 407. So I don't want to do that either. For 17th one, that was very easy question. Mm. So you can try the options. That's all. Let's do that question right now. Mm. Gonna, uh, a triangle is drawn with. Okay, this is our circle. Let's say this is the center. Mm. This is B. So this is root of A square plus B square. Then the area of triangle is A into B, half into A into B. But it is given in the form of like 2ab r square by a square plus b square. Okay. So in the answer it is 2 into ab into r square by root of a square plus b square. Do you have root there? No, no root. Okay. So we know r equal to 1 by 2 root of a square plus b square. R square equal to 1 by 4 a square plus b square. Substituting that here, it will be 4 into a square plus b square. So I can cancel this and this, and it will be 1 by 2ab. So that's very easy question. So I got that correct. Can move on to 18th one. In a rectangle ABCD, AB is equal to 9 cm, BC is equal to 6 cm. ABC is rectangle. Let's draw the rectangle. Mm, A, B, C, D. AB 9 and BC 6. P and Q are 2 points on BC. P and I didn't have enough time to do this question. P and Q are 2 points on BC. Okay, let's say this is P and this is Q. Areas of the figure ABP. ABP. Okay. ABP, APQ, APQ, and ACD, AQCD, AQCD are in geometric progression. Let's say the area of ABP. So the height is same for ABP and APQ. So the sides are in the geometric progression. So sides can be so PB is to QP or 1 is to 2 or something. Then the area of ABQ will be total area is 6 into 9, that is 54, minus 9 into, let's say this 9 into 3, that is 18. Let's say 9 into x, half into 9 into x, so 2x. Say that will be 9x. So 9x minus 54 minus 9 into 3, let's say 27. That will be 27 only. And 6 minus x. Okay. So is to 6 minus a by r. Let's say a. If it is in a arithmetic process, it will be much easier. One is to 2 is to let's say that is 1, 2 and 4 can be, cannot be 2 and 4, 1 and 2. So remaining is 3. 9 to 3, 27 by 2. Nine into 36. Area of AQCD is 4 times the area of triangle ABP. So it is 1 and this is 4. R square equal to 4. Therefore, R is equal to 2. So 1 is to 2 is to 4. That is the ratio of the area. Okay, I got it. Now it is easy. Area of AQCD is 4 times the area of triangle ABP. Okay. ABP, APQ, 1, 2, 3. BP is to PQ. BP is to PQ is to QC. 1 is to 2 is to 3. BP, APQ. Okay, I didn't got this answer. Can skip. Guy couldn't even do the 19th one either. Can do the 20th one. P square plus Q square minus 29 till 2PQ minus 20. P square plus Q square minus 2PQ equal to 9. P minus Q whole square equal to 9. Okay. And P plus Q whole square 52 minus 29. 1 here, 4 minus 2, 2. Oh no, okay. 52 plus 9, 8. Q whole square is equal to 81. And 4PQ equal to 72. Therefore, PQ equal to 18. PQ equal to 18. So P plus Q is either P and Q are positive numbers or negative numbers. Okay. So P and Q are positive numbers. So 18 can be written 9 into 2, or yeah, if it is 9 into 2, can be 6 into 3. 6 into 3 is the so minimum possible value is 6Q minus 3 cube. It is 3 raised to 6 minus 3 cube. That is 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3 minus 1. It is 27 into 26. 27 into 26, let's say 76 is 42. 4 remaining 2 into 6, 12 plus 4, 16. 72, 14, 1, 2 into 2, 2, 0, 702. Is there any answer like 702 or something? No. Difference between the maximum and minimum possible value. So okay. 36 minus 3 cube minus 3 cube. Hmm. 762 by phi2 is 382. No. Let both the C7, A2, A3 and B1, B2 be alternate progressions. So the common difference of both are prime numbers. A5 is equal to B9, N8 is equal to B19. I had done this question. I took 5 minutes, but I couldn't solve it. Let's solve this right now. So, common difference of both series are prime numbers. So A5, that is A plus 4D1, A1 plus 4D1, A plus 4D1 equal to B plus 8 D2. And A plus 18 D1 equal to B plus 18 D2. Subtracting this will give us 14 D1 equal to 10 D2. So I can cancel this will be 5, this will be 7. 7 D1 equal to 5 D2. 7 into D1. Okay. So D1 will be 5, D2 will be 7. Because D1 and D2 are prime numbers. 7 into nothing, 7 into let's say 7 cannot be gives 5 into anything. So D1 equal to 5 and D2 is equal to 7. But I couldn't got that in the example. D1 is equal to 7, D2 equal to 5. Maybe minus 7 or minus 5 also can be there. B2 equal to 0. That is B plus D2 equal to 0. That is B equal to minus 5. Okay, B equal to minus 5. So substituting that here gives A. So B is equal to minus 5 plus 40, 35. 4 into D1 is 28. A equal to 7. A11 equal to I have done something wrong. 8 into this is 35. 4 into 28. 35 minus 28 is 7. A11 will become 11 into 7. That is 77. However, the answer is 79. Fourteen D1 plus 10 D2. That is 7 D1 into 5 D2. D1 is D1 is D2 is 7, D1 is 5. Okay, D1 is 5. Okay, so b equal to minus 7. So here it will be, these are the small mistakes. Okay, so minus 7 plus 8 d is 6d2. 7d2. Okay, so 7 into 7 is 49 here, and here the answer 4 into d1 is 20. So a equal to 29. So a11 equal to 10 into 5 plus 29, that's equal to 79. This is easy question. Not easy, but kind of. Okay, we can do the last question. I don't know the answer. Let n be the two sequences that n equal to 13 plus. I think I have done this question. I got this incorrect. So and let's say let's do it in a systematic way. Okay. N equal to 6n plus 7. Okay. Bn equal to 7n plus 8. Okay. The largest 3-digit integer that is common to both of these. I took the smallest 3-digit number. Oh, okay. Thanks for me. So I thought this both will be equal. So 6n plus 7 equal to 7n plus 8, and we learn, so let's 7m. Okay, so 6n equal to 7m plus 1. A multiple of 6, that is 7m plus 1. So one number let's try a multiple of 6, that is 9 96. Okay, 996 is a multiple of 6. So dividing by 7 will give 1 7 29 4 28 1 6. Remainder is 2. So 9 90. So in 9 94 is a multiple of let's say 7. Okay, 700 and 280. Yeah, 994. So next is 990 here, and 996 990. Okay, 990 and 980 87. The difference is 3. So next is 4. So 984 4 5 6 9. After that 984 it will be 9 78 9 72 9 66. That is 4. So okay, let's try 966. It is divisible by 6. Let's try 7. So 1 here. In 26 it is 3 times 7 26 21 56. So after that 960 in 960. This is the answer. Okay, let's try 7. 7 here, 1 times 226, 3 times 21, 5, 50. Yeah, 7m plus 1. That is 960 equal to 959 plus 1. That's correct. So the last 3-digit integer that is common to both the sequences. 6n is 960. 960 plus 7 is 967 is our answer. Yeah, 967. I found the smallest. Why? Okay, let's evaluate. I will get the 22 correct if I have 2 hours. Okay, I will get the 22 correct and I will get the 21 correct. I will not get this. Will not get this. I will get the 17 correct, and I will get the I don't know what is 16. I will get the 15 correct. I got that correct. I will get the 14 correct. Okay, once more. Oh, 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I will get the 12 correct. That is 6. 10 correct. That is 7. I will get the 9 correct. That is 8. I will get the 8 correct. That is 9. I get the 7 correct. That is 10. I get the 6 correct. That is 11. I get the 5 correct. That is 12. I get the 14 correct. That is 13. I'll get the 3 correct. That is 14. Yeah, even though if I try my level best, I will only get 14 correct. That is very tough for me. Okay, that is very tough. Right now, I think I got 6 or 7 correct. Yeah, that's all about today. So I think this count is very tough, but there are 10 questions I think I can do for real. 10 you can easily do if you found those questions very correctly. But I only found 12. I only have time for 12. Okay, but yeah, 10 you can do. I can do 10 in I will only took 10 for 10 question for 20. I will only took 20 minutes. If I got that question only, if there is only 10 question that can be uh, out of this 14 question that I have done right now, if I given that 14 question for the 40 minutes, I can do 10 very easily, very fastly in 20 minutes. But selection of the question is the important thing, because if I took a question that can be done uh, and I will spend 4 or 5 minutes for that question, then that is a waste of time without the answer. That is that made me panic. That is the situation when we are entered to the exam hall. So it's okay. We can do better in the next time. So thank you for right now. Thank you, students.